Listen up, because I'm about to drop some hard truths most guys are too afraid to face. Women who've been around with countless men don't walk into your life waving a red flag. They hide it, and if you're blind to the signs, that's on you. Let me make it crystal clear. There are women out there who see men as nothing more than a game, a resource, or a stepping stone. You think you're special? Nah, you're just next on the list if you don't wake the hell up. Here's how you know. First sign, she avoids her past like it's a crime scene. You ask her simple questions about her relationships, and suddenly, she's dodging harder than a boxer in the ring, because she knows if you find out the truth, you'll be gone. If she can't be honest about her history, that's your first red flag. She's hiding skeletons, and trust me, there's a whole damn graveyard. Second sign, she's an attention addict. Look at her social media. Every photo is thirstier than the last. Half-naked selfies, flirty captions, constant uploads. You think that's for you? Wake up, that's bait. For every guy scrolling through her feed. Third sign, she's way too experienced, and don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. The way she moves, the way she talks, it's like she's rehearsed it 100 times before, because she has. If everything feels too smooth, it's because you're dealing with someone who's been through the rotation more times than you can count. Fourth sign, her circle is a disaster. Show me her friends, and I'll show you her future. If her friends are wild party girls who jump from man to man, guess what? She's the same. Birds of a feather flock together, and you're fooling yourself if you think she's the innocent one in the group. Fifth sign, she talks about men like they're disposable. If she casually drops stories about hookups, guy friends, or how many men have disappointed her, that's all you need to know. A woman who respects herself doesn't treat relationships like a revolving door. It's a guilt trip to keep you hooked. Don't fall for it. Stop. That's not your job. You're not a damn therapist, and you're not here to clean up someone else's mess. What you need to do is simple. Walk away. Stop wasting your time, energy, and respect on someone who doesn't deserve it. Invest in yourself. Build your life, your goals, your empire. When you do that, the right people will come into your life. People who actually respect you, not just what you can provide. Now listen, it's time to wake up. Stop being the guy who gets played and start being the man who calls the shots. And while you're at it, go watch my previous video. No one's coming to save you. Because that's the truth. You've got to save yourself, so stop hesitating, take your power back, and remember, you're the prize. Start acting like it.